What are you doing? Sitting at home? Can you see? I am here in the Rajshahi Upazila. This is our park, and now it is raining. I'm coming here with my family. Hello, Asmia. Come here. Oh, you're too here. Okay, come here. This is my family. And Friday or any leisure day, I try to spend my time with my family, and this is a sweet place. I think all of you should spend your moments with your family. It increases your family bondage, relieve your monotony, and all the family members have a good mental and spiritual development with each other. We can share our everything with each other in such a sweet time. So everybody, never lose your time and never lose your family bondage and never go astray from your family. I hope all of you understand me. Bye. Take care of you. কেমন হয়েছে কথা বলো?